We're about to start the railing for the porch. This is the original, and it's 20.5 inches tall if you go from right here to the top. Now there was a spacer down here, about a 2-inch spacer, so it would have been about 23.5 inches tall. Now, not because of code, although code tells you should put it higher, but because I don't want to fasten it into the moldings on the posts, I am going to raise it quite a bit. And that'll also satisfy the code issue, which is not my primary goal because it is historic. But I do want it fastened in really good. So what we're doing is we're going to keep it 4 inches off the porch. That gives us room to broom underneath. We're going to have a 4-inch piece that hangs down here, another 1x4 here, over here, and then there's going to be some solid piece, some kind of design going through here, and all total it's going to bring it up to about 36 inches, and it'll fasten into the posts in 2 good spots. Or 3 good spots. I'm not sure. I have to inspect that yet. At least 2. So first thing I'm going to do is probably start the bottom piece. It will be way down here. And then in between I'm going to do some scraping because this all needs to be scraped. I already removed the nails out of the ends. And I need to, I forgot one here. I need to do some measuring because I may have to put a piece on here that does some design coming out. I'm not sure. You're not supposed to have more than 4-inch gaps. So I'm not sure how that's going to play out with the molding. There may actually be a flat piece in here and lacking 1 spindle. Some design on it. Okay, time to get started.